successful in life. We all know world famous American inventor who changed the world. Don't think too much, he's none other than Thomas Alva Edison. His success was the result of his mother's words, love and care. Let's go through that wonderful story with a beautiful puppet show. The story name is A Mother's Love. Let me introduce our puppeteer. Wow! Let me introduce our puppet. And this is Mother Nancy. Teacher Young Edison. And Edison. Let's start our story. One day, Edison was attending the class at school. Suddenly, teacher called him. Edison, come here. Yes, ma'am. Hand this paper over to your mother. Sure, ma'am. He returned from the school and arrived home. Mom, 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 Mom. Edison, you came early. Didn't you have class today? My teacher gave this paper to me and said give it only to you. After reading the paper, Edison's mother started crying. What happened, Mom? Why are you crying? What is written on the paper? Suddenly, she wiped her tears and read it aloud. Your son is a genius. This school is too small to accommodate him and doesn't have enough good teachers for training him. Please teach him yourself. After hearing this, Edison was so excited. Yay! Yay! My teacher told I'm a genius. I'm so happy. From today, I can learn from my mom. After that, his mother proceeded to teach him at home. She inspired him and gave confidence to face the challenges and world. Many years had passed. Edison's mother had died. Edison had become one of the greatest inventors of the century. Some of his inventions are electric lamp, phonograph, kinetoscope and electric pen. Yes, electric pen. One day, he was looking through old family things. Suddenly, he saw a folded paper in the corner of a drawer in the desk. This was the same paper that his teacher gave to his mother. He took it and opened it up. On the paper was written, your son is an adult. We cannot let him attend our school anymore. He is expelled from the school. Edison cried for hours after reading that paper. Was I an adult? My mom told I'm a genius. Oh, Mom, how great you are. I'm going to write my diary. adult child, whose mother turned him into a genius of the century. Moral of the story: how mother's love and care change the destiny of a child. So, we should always be grateful to our mother for her infinite love. Before winding up, I would like to share some of its quotes. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work. Kichu,